Have you ever promised yourself, this month, I'm finally going to stick to a budget, but just a few days later, you're wondering where all your money disappeared? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with budgeting, not because they're bad with money, but because nobody ever taught them how budgeting actually works. The good news? Budgeting isn't about giving up everything you enjoy. It's about making sure your money works for you, instead of disappearing without a trace. In today's video, we're answering the most common budgeting questions people ask. No complicated financial terms. No confusing spreadsheets. Just simple answers that can help you take control of your money starting today. Let's begin. Question 1. What is a budget? Many people think a budget is a list of things they aren't allowed to buy. That's not true. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Instead of wondering where your paycheck went, you decide where it should go before you spend it. Think of it like using a map. Without one, you may eventually reach your destination, but you'll probably waste time and resources along the way. A budget gives every dollar a purpose. That means you're in control instead of your spending habits. Question 2. Do I need to earn a lot of money to budget? Absolutely not. Budgeting becomes even more important when your income is limited. Many people believe budgeting only matters after they become wealthy. In reality, most financially successful people started budgeting long before they built wealth. A person earning a modest income with a solid budget can often save more than someone earning twice as much but spending carelessly. Your income matters, but your spending habits matter even more. Question 3. Where does my money keep going? This is probably the most common question. Most people don't lose money because of one huge purchase. They lose it through dozens of small expenses. Coffee, food delivery, streaming subscriptions, online shopping, impulse purchases. Individually, they don't seem expensive. Together, they quietly drain hundreds of dollars every month. The first step is simple. Track every expense for 1 month. No guessing, no estimating. Write down everything. You might be surprised by what you discover. Question 4. What's the simplest budget anyone can follow? One of the easiest methods is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes toward needs. Things like housing, groceries, transportation, insurance, and utilities. 30% goes toward wants. Entertainment, dining out, shopping, travel. 20% goes towards saving, investing, or paying off debt. It's not a perfect system for everyone, but is an excellent place to start if budgeting feels overwhelming. Question 5. Should I stop buying things I enjoy? Not at all. This is where many budgets fail. People create impossible rules. No eating out. No entertainment. No vacations. Eventually, they become frustrated and quit. A realistic budget includes money for enjoyment. The goal isn't to eliminate fun. It's to spend intentionally instead of emotionally. When you plan for enjoyment, you can enjoy it without guilt. Question 6. What if my income changes every month? Many freelancers, business owners, and gig workers face this challenge. Instead of budgeting based on your highest income, build your budget around your lowest reliable monthly income. When extra money comes in, use it wisely. Build your emergency fund. Pay down debt. Invest. Avoid increasing your lifestyle every time you earn more. This creates stability even when income isn't predictable. Question 7. Should I save or pay off debt first? The answer depends on your situation. If you have no emergency savings at all, build a small emergency fund first. Even a modest cushion can prevent you from using credit cards when unexpected expenses appear. After that, focus on paying down high-interest debt as quickly as possible. The less money you lose to interest, the faster you can build wealth. Eventually, saving and investing become much easier. Question 8. Why do budgets usually fail? Budgets don't fail because people lack discipline. They fail because they're unrealistic. Many people underestimate expenses. Others forget irregular bills like car repairs, insurance renewals, school fees, birthdays, or holidays. A successful budget includes expected surprises. Life isn't perfectly predictable. Your budget shouldn't pretend it is. Review your budget every month. Adjust it. Improve it. Remember, budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Question 9. Should couples share one budget? Every relationship is different. Some couples combine everything. Others keep separate accounts. Some do both. The important part isn't the account structure. It's communication. Discuss income, expenses, savings goals, debt, future plans. Financial arguments often happen because expectations were never discussed. A shared plan creates fewer surprises and more teamwork. Question 10. How much should I keep for emergencies? Financial experts often recommend saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. If that sounds impossible, don't worry. Start with your first small goal. Maybe it's enough to cover one unexpected bill. Then build from there. Small emergency funds become large emergency funds through consistency. The important thing isn't starting big. It's simply starting. Question 11. Is budgeting worth the effort? Think about this. Without a budget, every financial decision becomes emotional. With a budget, your priorities are already decided. You experience less stress, less financial anxiety, more confidence, and over time, better financial results. Budgeting doesn't just improve your bank account, it improves your peace of mind. Question 12. What's the biggest budgeting mistake? Waiting. Many people believe they'll start budgeting after they earn more money, after they get promoted, after they pay off debt, after life becomes easier. But those moments rarely arrive on their own. Financial confidence comes from building good habits now, not later. Your future income won't automatically solve today's spending habits. Only better decisions will. 5 simple budgeting habits that really work. Before we finish, here are 5 simple habits that make budgeting much easier. First, check your bank account regularly instead of avoiding it. Second, plan your major purchases before you make them. Third, review your budget once every week. Fourth, automate your savings whenever possible. And finally, remember that small improvements repeated consistently create remarkable results over time. These habits may seem ordinary, but ordinary habits create extraordinary financial outcomes. Okay, remember this. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life. It's about creating the freedom to spend on what truly matters. Every financially successful person started somewhere, not with a perfect income, not with perfect knowledge, but with a decision to take control of their money instead of letting money control them. You don't need expensive software. You don't need advanced financial knowledge. And you certainly don't need to be wealthy before you begin. You only need one simple plan and the willingness to follow it consistently. Remember this. Your budget isn't punishment. It's a roadmap. And every dollar you give a purpose today helps build the financial future you'll thank yourself for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to take control of their finances. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.